Top 6 Home Gadget. Product 1.
Imagine achieving restaurant-quality results from the comfort of your home. The Ninja Griddle and Indoor Grill offers edge-to-edge cooking precision, obliterating uneven heat concerns. Counter smoke issues with a specially designed perforated lid, ensuring a clean kitchen environment. Transform dense dinner preparations into seamless meal experiences. Opt for superior simplicity and invest in perfection. Acquire your Ninja GR101 now for unparalleled culinary mastery.
Product 2.
I recently tried the over-the-sink dish drying rack, and it's revolutionized my kitchen routine. Compactly designed, it rolls away to declutter my small counter space. This sturdy stainless steel rack is versatile, serving as a heat-resistant mat and drying rack, and easily supports up to 33 lbs. Perfect for anyone prioritizing efficiency and space-saving solutions.
Product 3.
So I'm standing in my teeny tiny kitchen, right? I used to dream about fitting a toaster without losing counter space to those bulky ones. Then I find this Bella 2-slice slim toaster, and honestly, it's been nothing but a lifesaver. It's got this 10-inch long slot, and let me tell you, my thick artisan bread fits without a fight. And the 6 settings, well, gone are the days of unintentional charcoal. Kid-friendly too, with its high-lift lever and easy crumb cleanup. You should definitely give it a go if you're after some countertop hugs, you know? Grab yours today.
Product 4.
Hey algorithm, show this video to anyone who loves fresh homemade juice. If you've faced struggles with juicers like excessive pulp or tedious cleanup, try the Juice Master Pro. Then I found the Elite Gourmet Citrus Juicer. It's compact, BPA-free, and handles all my lemon and orange cravings with ease. The 24 O's capacity ensures I always have enough juice, while the dishwasher-safe parts make cleaning a breeze. Switch today for effortless, healthy juicing.
Product 5.
All right, so let me share my latest kitchen obsession, the Chefman XL electric griddle. You know, for those mornings when I'm craving a big, greasy breakfast without the mess? Yeah, that's when this comes in. Its non-stick surface is like magic, keeping the hassle low and the cleanup super easy. Plus, the temperature control makes it a breeze to switch from pancakes to perfectly crisp bacon. You definitely need to snag one for your kitchen arsenal. Trust me, it's a game changer for those busy mornings.
Product 6.
I am constantly amazed by space-saving kitchen gadgets. Consider the Magic Kitchen Rack for jugging cooking while keeping your counter clutter-free. Meet my kitchen MVP, the Ninja Flip Toaster Oven and Air Fryer. This beast cranks out crispy fries and bakes pizzas, all while saving 50% counter space. Energy efficient and speedy, it's like having a personal chef speeding through your meal prep. Ready to elevate your kitchen game? Hit that order now button.